This is a brand new house constructed by students of Fairfax County Public Schools through a program of technical education called the Foundation for Applied Technical Education.
FATE, as we refer to it, is a partnership with Fairfax County Public Schools that formed in 1971. Some builders and local business leaders in Northern Virginia had an idea of a different way of teaching trades education and formed a partnership with the school board.
Students have built the house entirely from ground up. This is on land that the school board owns, and so this is a beautiful home designed for retail sale and in a plat that will eventually include 18 homes that are similar to this one. Universal design is a concept of making homes livable for persons of any ability, so that regardless of age, ability, or disability, people can easily access the home and move around inside.
It's design features that make the house accessible for everybody and a little bit smarter. Elements include wider doorways, wider hallways, wider aisleways in the kitchen to get around islands.
At least one no-step entrance into the house. And a bedroom on the first floor, a bathroom that could be made accessible, of stacked closets on all 3 levels of the house so that it could be very easy to retrofit with an elevator.
Elements of a house that really help the function of the house work.
We think that universal design makes houses much more livable and much more usable for people to age in place, to make use for family members who may acquire a disability at some point. People want to stay in their homes. They don't want to have to move. And this is a house that would be adaptable for a lifetime.